Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. As you can see the title, I'm gonna do a unboxing again, luxury unboxing. Anyways, if you're new to my channel, hello, my name is Tawney and hi. I upload daily vlog. Not oh no, I don't upload daily vlogs. I upload vlogs and also makeup, tutorial or whatnot. So anyways, I know you clicked with this video because you want to see what I got from Gucci. Anyways, I got this was the box that I can't come with. I was expecting with like the white box, but it comes with this floral one. But anyways, as you guys can see, I went to Rodeo Drive. I got this on Rodeo Drive. The purpose of me going there is actually to get the mini pochette, which is from the Louis Vuitton, because I did call them and they said they have one. And well, at first we went to Vegas, they don't have it in stock. The lady told me that it's been sold out for I don't know how many years, and then she said to actually check out on the Beverly Hills, and that's why I went in there on not Beverly Hills, Rodeo Drive. I went Rodeo Drive and I asked the lady, I was like, do you have this, like the mini pochette? She said no, we don't. And she put me with another guy and she said it's been sold out. So I'm just like, but I do want to have, oh my god, I really want that mini pochette. I don't know, it's just so cute. If you don't know what mini pochette is, I'm just gonna insert it right here. That's that. Anyway, moving on with the mini pochette. So I was like, it's my birthday anyways, because yeah, when I went there it was my birthday, and just like I want to splurge some, like, on my birthday, like it's my birthday. And I went to Rodeo Drive. So anyways, I went to the Gucci store. I do have another one that I've been wanting to get. Oh, I also asked the lady if they have the key pouch from Louis Vuitton, but they don't have it. So you know what, I said, you know what, let me check Gucci, maybe they have one. So I went to Gucci store right here. This is actually the box, so they put in right here with this floral box. And yeah, so this is the box. I don't know if the light is just way too light, but yeah, this is it right there. And I haven't opened this box since I bought this. I don't know why, but yeah, okay, let's just unbox this. Anyway, open that channel. Okay, so right there. So that is that. That's a Gucci dust. I think they call it dust bag, something like that. Anyway, let's just get this on the dust bag. All right. So what I got is this GG Supreme key case right here. I know I just got that Louis Vuitton card holder. If you want to see that, check that out as well. I'm also gonna leave it in the description box below. So anyway, this is the GG Supreme cake. I really suck at this. But anyway, okay, this is it. So oh my god, it looks so cute. This is the one style, I think, and they have the Gucci print thing over there, and then it has like plastic. But anyway, let me try to open this up. And oh, it comes with a lot of papers, Gucci paper. I don't know what the hell. I believe this is, I don't know what this is, guys. I really don't know. But yes, this one's in Arabic. Why is that in Arabic? This one is English. Okay. Anyway, I don't know why I have like 3 different type of papers. And it has Gucci micro bag. Okay, okay. Anyway, so this is it. Simple Gucci key Supreme case. GG Supreme case, and inside they have the Gucci made in Italy. I don't know if you guys can see, but that brown one right there, it says just Gucci made in Italy. And this is, oh, this is meant for my keys. So I have my keys right here, and I was just feeling bougie at the moment, like, you know what, I want my keys in a Gucci. So I think she told me to squeeze. Okay guys, so I finally figured it out. I remember now. So it actually has a Gucci logo as well, and this one, Gucci made in Italy. It's really small, but it has in here, It's printed out Gucci, made in Italy. You can't barely see it. I'm just gonna like flash a picture. I'm gonna take a picture and flash it on the screen. But anyway, it's gold hardware, and it's also have a Gucci print in here, and that's right here. So anyways, it's really smooth. Like you can just like easily glide in right there. And then the material is really, I don't know, it's like very luxurious, or what they said. Anyway, so I figure out how to open this one. So you basically just like pull it and like do it like that. So okay, pull this one right here and then squeeze it right there, and then we're gonna put these on and just put it back. So let's snap it back. There you go. And then if you want just the key, you can actually just put your keys back right here, and it will, you know, go like that. But I think I'm not gonna carry this pepper spray on me. I'm gonna put this in the other side. But yeah, this is how it looks like right there. You can just actually put them inside and like that. But what I normally do is just put my house key and my car key. I'm not gonna put this one right here because it's just way too big. This is the pepper spray actually. You can actually use this as well for like wallet, but since I already have a Louis Vuitton card holder, then I'm not gonna use this as a wallet, or maybe switch it up, depends on my mood. Yeah, so anyways, I'm gonna give you like a rundown. I forgot that I have this one. This is the receipt. This is print Gucci right there. So I believe I paid, how many? Okay, so this is $270 for this Supreme, GG Supreme key case. Yeah, this is it, key case. And then with this, you know, tax and everything, tax is $25. So overall it's $295.65. So that's that. Yeah, so yeah, I got it on Beverly Hills, Rodeo Drive. That was the store. And let me just put these receipt back. And yeah, that's how it is. So you know what, let me try to put the actual like credit card just to see if it can hold, because I feel like it can hold probably like 10 cards in here, because it's a lot. Actually, it's like wider and like thicker. So let me try that out. Okay, so I have like cards in here. I have 1, 2, 3, 4. I have 4 cards. No, actually 5 cards in here. I'm gonna try to put these cards just to see. Okay, there's still a lot of space. See, that's like the cards. And let's just try to put this key right here, key fob. So you guys can see key fob. Let me just try to get this one. Okay, so that's how it look inside. I feel like I'm not even gonna try to zip it up because my key fob is just way too thick. She's just way too thick, girl. So I'm just gonna leave it as is, like that, and put this Planet Fitness card and my CPR thing inside, and I can use it as a wallet as well. So yeah, that's how it looks like. You can just like put that in, so you have your, like in a daily, like for me, I feel like I want it more convenient. I want it convenient, like, because I normally use my Louis Vuitton favorite PM. I normally use that on a daily basis, and if I run errands or stuff like that, this is really easy. So I don't have, you know, like I have my, I'm like a card person. I'm not like a cash person. I can actually just put cash in here because it's a lot. You can probably put like probably 10 cards and cash inside this one. So I will update you guys on that. But this one is really good. And you know, like if you don't want to carry like a bag or something like that, if you just want to carry this, it's really good. You can just easily put it in your pocket. But if you just want it as is, this is it. Like I took out the cards actually, but if you just want it as is, so yeah, that's the key fob right there. But yeah, this is it. Yeah, I really like it. It's just like, you know, it's low-key. It doesn't really look like even Gucci, but you can actually like the print right here if you just want to look at it in like close. But yeah, that's that, and has like this brown thing in the side right here. It's actually thick. I'm actually gonna read the details. This is the a key case made Gigi Supreme Canvas. This is a material with low environmental impact. This beige ebony, see, with a brown, a brown leather trim, and it has a metal key hook, zipper closure. Okay, gotcha. So yeah, I was just looking it on the online. So like I said, it is 200. Why is this 295 in the app? And I only paid 270 plus tax. Oh, okay, gotcha. All right, so yeah, that is it, you guys. This is it for the unboxing. I know it's like this unboxing is like literally everywhere. And but yeah, if you want to see my Louis Vuitton unboxing, go ahead and check that out. But yeah, this is it. Nothing special, but yeah, that is it. But anyway, like this video and subscribe to my channel if you want me to do more luxury unboxing or whatever. I'll probably be broke right now. But anyway, like this video and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. And I will see you guys on my next video. Bye!